How you doing? See, my name is Damyan, and today I'm going to show you 3 things you can do to help bring in customers to your business online. So you may be asking, what do I know, or why is your website screencasted right here, and what's in it for me? Well, I found out that most local business owners are too busy running their businesses to learn how the internet can help benefit them and their companies. But with me being an expert, just like how your slogan is, if you want pros, call bros. If you want pro, call me. Because I've laid out this easy, free attack plan right here on this video of 3 basic search engine optimization tactics on site and off site that will help your company rise above the competition. So by the end of this video, if you like what you heard and you see that I'm knowledgeable and can help your business, then shoot me back a message and we can chat. Or if at the end of this video you simply want to take this free attack plan that I gave you and use it for yourself, that works for me too. So without further ado, let's go into your page content. You have a nice page, but Google loves to see 2,000 words on the front page and at least 750 to 1,250 words on your service pages, such as these. Okay, and they also, let's go back to your home. Oh, can't get out of here. Oh, no, let's not do that. I don't want one. I appreciate your free inspection though, but let's take your icons, for example, try to save it. All right, so this should be tagged to say commercial roofing, Columbia, South Carolina, something of that nature to help optimize this page. Just certain meta descriptions and stuff like that can really bring your on-site SEO a long way. And let's look at your number 1 and number 2 competitors in the area of Columbia right here. And let's see how you stack up against them when I search roofing, Columbia, South Carolina. I know this is a group of words, but this is actually a very highly searched keyword. And you guys are on the second page. Yep, second page for that. And then when I come to the first page, I see your top 2 competitors right here, Premier and Bergen Roofing, sitting at the number 1 and number 2 spots. All right, so let's take that same keyword, roofing, Columbia, South Carolina. It has a 600 volume search, so this means that someone is searching this 600 times a month, and Premier Roofing is at the number 1 position for this particular keyword. Okay, so let's look at Bergen Roofing for the same keyword, and they're at the number 2 position. Okay, and then let's look at you all, and you're at the 18th position for this keyword right here that's being searched 600 times a month. So that's missing out on a lot of cheddar potentially right there. All right, and how we make these keywords powerful is by getting you powerful backlinks and referring domains. All backlinks and referring domains are not created equally. Some are more powerful than others, and those are the ones that you want to try to obtain, and those are the ones that we can get for you, and basically boost your site and give you that link juice so your UR and your DR are higher. This is your power and your trust right here. All right, and let's look at for Bergen, there you are in DR, and let's look at you all, which is 7 and 2.3. Okay, and this is my pay tool right here that I call Airrafts, and I pay like $400 a month for this tool right here. And here's another pay tool that I use to compare your guys' trust flow and citation flow. And this tool right here is called Majestic. And I can see that your trust flow, citation flow in Majestic is 12 and 23. And then Bergen's is 6 and 31. So they have a high citation flow, not necessarily their trust flow. And then Premier, which is at a 29 and 34, which is actually closer to the golden ratio that you want to be, in which in this case will be 34 out of 34. Which equals 1. So you want to be right there. And then the third way we can help you is by building this map pack up and get you more citations like Facebook, Yelp, white pages, yellow pages, stuff like, and hundreds more to help you propel your way over these guys. And then I think you're on page like 3 or 2. There's 20 positions in each page, so I think you're on page 2. So basically 20 positions are beating you guys out, and this is your position on the second page. And then let's look at our top 2 competitors. And yep, he goes Bergen, Oh, Premiere's not up here. Maybe I can try to search. Yeah, Premiere's not up here. Premiere, where are you? Premiere. Oh, so they're not so high in the map pack as well, but they still are getting a ton of searches from this organic ranking up here being #1, but just not in the map pack. But those are your basic 3 things that I've shown you today, just for that content and your on-site techniques you can use off of Ahrefs and Majestic for the keywords, and also the backlinks that you can grab. And like I told you, all backlinks aren't created equally, so we want to grab these stronger backlinks to help give you that link juice to your site. And that's all I have you. So if you want to implement these search engine optimization strategies today, and there's no reason why you can't work your way to being #1 organically, locally on Google. So for what you do, roofing. So you can either go with this free information that I provided you today and do this on your own. I'm totally cool with that. My intent was only to educate you today. But on the flip side, if you want the most effective route and you want to save yourself that time, please give me a call at 855-955-2393. Hit me up on email. Hit us up on Facebook at Columbia SC Web Design. And we would love to get a discovery call with you all. And I'll see you later. Peace.